Hey guys, hope you're doing well. We are here in the Northwest area of Bakersfield, checking out this beautiful new construction home behind me. And this is a model home, so we're actually gonna be looking at something that's fully furnished inside, so you're able to see what this floor plan looks like and what it could potentially look like for you. But before we go inside, I wanna tell you guys a little bit about where we're at. We're here in the Northwest area of Bakersfield, but it's technically considered Shafter, California. So just to let you know, Shafter's about 30 minutes from here, but their city line goes all the way up to the edge of Bakersfield. So that's why it's considered Shafter, but it's still Bakersfield schools. You'll be going to the Bakersfield shopping centers. You're pretty much in Bakersfield. All my clients that buy in Bakersfield pretty much buy here as well. But this neighborhood actually has two different community parks that they're currently building under construction. And the coolest thing is that there's no HOA here at all. So you have two parks, no HOA, and we're really close to the 99 freeway, which allows you to go in and out of town pretty quickly, go across town quickly. But that's a little bit about where we're at. You guys follow me over here. We're gonna check out this beautiful home. It's a very unique style home. It doesn't look like just any new construction. You'll see when we go inside. And another really cool thing is that we actually have a 3-car garage. So your 2-car regular garage and then a single carport right here, which is really nice. Not many new construction homes have a 3-car garage or homes in general. So let's go in, check out this home. I'm excited to show you it. And then as we get, let me put my coat in here. I'm over here getting locked out. As we leave this home, I'm gonna tell you guys what kind of deals they're offering on homes like this, because Bakersfield new construction, this floor plan included, all Bakersfield new construction has amazing deals, and I know that's one of the reasons why so many of my clients get new homes out here. So let's start looking at this home and stay till the end of the video for the good news, best news you'll ever hear in your life. This is a 4-bedroom home, 3 bathrooms, about 2,508 square feet. So really spacious. As soon as we come in, we have this nice bedroom up here. It's a very long bedroom. This isn't a standard bedroom size, almost feels like a master bedroom. And we have our nice 2 windows facing the front of the home. The only other thing in here you guys kind of want to see is we actually have a regular sliding door closet. So not a walk-in closet or anything like that, just your standard sliding door closet, but it's pretty long. So you get a good amount of space in here, nothing crazy. Right next to this bedroom, we actually have a full bathroom. Let me get this light on for you guys. Check that out. So we have our standing shower, toilet, and then of course our sink with some cabinet space down there, which is really nice. And right next to that, this nice little extra coat closet, which is cool. So the one thing I love about this is that when you come into the home, you kind of have this unique area here. So if you have maybe an older kid who wants to kind of be separate from the family, they can be right over here, or someone living with you or guests coming over, they can kind of have this area for themselves. But here's kind of this entryway, and we're gonna get into the rest of everything. This is a nice house, especially the master bedroom, but we kind of have this entryway area. They have this here, which is pretty wide, and you still get a really wide hallway, which is really cool. That's something I love about this home. And then check out this living room space, you guys. There is so much space in here. I mean, that's where your TV would go. Just check out how huge this area looks, you guys. This is a pretty good sized couch, and it is really nice in here, especially with these really high ceilings they have in the home. Just helps open it up for this nice open layout. But let's kind of go into this kitchen area, see what this looks like, you guys. We have this really nice kitchen counter, which has this nice sort of texture. I believe it's a quartz countertop, if I'm not mistaken. And next to that, check out this double door refrigerator. This does come with the home because it's very specific to this space. So if you're getting this floor plan, you will have this really nice refrigerator. And anyone I've shown this home is like, what in the world is this refrigerator? It's really nice. So after that, before we kind of get into the rest of the kitchen, check out this pantry space right here, or actually before, here's our microwave, our oven, which is down here. This does come with the new construction homes, so this is where you'll have that in this home, but go check out this pantry. You guys, there is tons of space in this pantry. It wraps all the way around that corner, and you just get a lot of space. For those of you that have a lot of snacks, I mean, this is perfect for you. Right behind me is the island, of course, but this is the other side of it. So we get all this cabinet space. We have this nice sink that's kind of mounted under the countertop, which is really cool. And then our dishwasher right here does come with the home as well. The only thing that's not coming with this home, usually they don't include refrigerators, but since this house has a specific type of refrigerator, it is included when you buy this home. So the only thing you really have to get on your own is washer and dryer. Sometimes we can get the washer and dryer, but standard, like we don't get the washer and dryer. So that might be the only thing you need to get. Here's your electric cooktop right here. Pretty much all new construction now in California only has electric cooktops. So that's kind of standard. And this really nice vent hood we get, which like elevates this entire area, you guys. But I know I'm talking a lot about the different things, but just take in what this house looks like. It's so nice. We're gonna get to the backyard too, talk a little bit about that. No, they're not all gonna be this little tiny yard like this one. I'll tell you a little bit about it after, but tons of natural lighting in here. Nice dining area. I mean, the table is a pretty big table and there's still more room for an even bigger table. So this is definitely the type of house where you're gonna host friends, host family. If you love to have people over and maybe watch fights, watch football games, whatever it is, this is the house to do that. So let's make our way over here. This is kind of a split wing. So we were over on the other side of the home where they had that one bedroom, the bathroom, and now we're making our way to the rest of the bedrooms. So 3 more bedrooms, bathroom, and the master bathroom. So right over here, you guys, we have our laundry room. So this is where the washer dryer is gonna go. You get some cabinet space up here. And then behind me, this is the door that goes into that 3-car garage. They keep storage in here, which is why we can't go in there for the model home, but you'll have your 3-car garage right there. And then right behind me, we actually have this nice extra closet space here with some shelves, which is really cool. Gives you a good amount of space to make our way down the rest of this hallway. So right next to me here is gonna be our 2nd bedroom. Check this out. I mean, you get a lot of space in here. We get our 2 nightstands, bed, and you still got a pretty much good amount of space to kind of walk around here. And this one does just have the standard sliding door closet as well. So nothing crazy to see. It's a nice bedroom, high ceiling like the rest of the house. And yeah, doesn't get much better than that. It's just a bedroom. After that, we have our 2 sinks right here. And then of course, cabinet space. What's cool is the 2 sinks because you know we have the 2 bedrooms on each side of this bathroom. So they both get to use these sinks right here, our regular toilet, and then of course our shower with the tub right here. This home is really nice. A lot of the finishes in here are different than just your standard new construction. I mean, the flooring we have right here is like this vinyl plank flooring that looks like wood. And then in the bathrooms, I'll show you in the master bathroom too, they use kind of like a tile, which is really cool. I kind of like how they designed this home with the finishes. But here's that next bedroom I was telling you about. They kind of have it set up as like a room for twins or for siblings, but you get a lot of space in here as well. And then it has a regular closet, same thing like the other 2 bedrooms that we've seen. So nice size bedroom, but I know what you guys were waiting for, the master bedroom and the master bathroom and the master closet. So let's check this out right here, you guys. Stay right there where you're at. Look how far I go. I mean, we literally have such a huge master bedroom. I mean, the ceiling is high in here and it's just such an open. This is like a Cal King bed, our 2 nightstands on each side, and you still have so much walking space around here. But let's go over here and check out the master bathroom, you guys. So they do have this like barn sliding door that comes with the home, which is cool. That way it's not just open like a lot of homes have it. And same style countertops as the rest of the bathrooms, same cabinets, all that. And then this is that flooring I was telling you about. It's like a tile flooring that's really nice. But check out this huge mirror. And then right behind me, we actually get this really nice bathtub. And then of course our standing shower right next to it. So it has our glass right here, which is pretty cool. And then right next to this, we're gonna be looking at just pretty much where our toilet's at. So it has its own separate door area, which is pretty cool. But the last thing I want you guys to see in this master bedroom is this closet. Check this out, you guys. This is a huge master closet. Look how much space we have in here. Stay right there where you're at. Look how far I am. And this is only with one rack. You can lift this one up higher, put another one underneath it. You have a lot of space in here to add dressers. I mean, this could be another bedroom if you'd like. Tons of space in here. If you are a husband and you don't want your wife to see this, skip this part of the video because she's gonna shop a lot, but that's what my wife would do. But follow me, we're gonna go check out the rest of this home and we're gonna see just what the kind of backyard space is like and give you guys a good look at these sliding doors, which are really cool. So let's go over and check that out. I mean, check out this space as we're walking through. Tons of space in here, all the natural lighting coming in. So right here, you guys, let me show you guys, stay right there. I'm gonna show you these sliding doors that we have. Super nice. Check this out, especially when you're hosting people and you kind of want to have that indoor outdoor feel. You get these triple sliding doors right here, which are sick. They don't go all the way into the wall. They stop right here, but you still have a lot of space in here. And then let me tell you guys about the yard before I tell you a little bit about the types of deals we can get in new construction for a home like this one or something similar. So with this backyard we have here, you can tell it's a little bit smaller, but you guys, the model homes, the builders sometimes do the smallest yards on the model homes because they're not selling them right away. So this home's not gonna get sold until they're done building all the homes in the neighborhood. So there are different lots for this floor plan that are bigger than this or the same size as this. So it just depends on when we connect. So you and I connect and I check what floor plans are available for you that you're able to see, okay, there's something with a bigger yard. So the basic type of thing with this video is like, hey, do you like this floor plan? Let me know because we'll be able to see what lots they have available. So that's kind of what I wanted to tell you about the yards. And now to tell you guys a little bit about kind of what deals they have on new construction or something like this home that we just saw. So with something like this, we're most likely gonna be able to get all your closing costs covered by the builder, which saves you about $10 to $12, maybe $13,000 up front. So you only have that down payment. And then on top of that, we are also able to get special interest rates on most of the new construction, even if it's not a home like this one. So that's something that's huge because it saves you $200 to $300 every single month on a home. Or if you're like, hey, I want to get into a bigger home, can I afford that? Maybe if you were getting a resale home, you wouldn't be able to afford it, but with new construction, you can get a little bit more bang for your buck, which is really cool, you guys. So if you liked this floor plan, this is the Borealis floor plan, Borealis, and it is 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, as you saw, a little bit over 2,500 square feet. So if you're like, hey, I like this home and we connect, you reach out to me, let me know you like the Borealis floor plan and I'll know what you're talking about. But with that being said, you guys, if you're someone who's like, hey, I want to get into a home soon, I want to purchase a house of my own soon within this year, next few months, whatever it may be, schedule a call with me. The link is down below. We'll talk about your plans, what you're looking for, your budget, the area you want to be in, and I can help you look at those options. And if you're someone who's like, hey, I want to get a home at some point, but not yet, I don't really want to talk to you yet, then download my completely free Bakersfield New Construction Guide. Has a lot of information for you about new construction here in Bakersfield, and you won't regret it. The link is in one of these corners right here. But thank you guys so much for watching the video. You guys have a good one. Before you go, if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. But really quick, I wanted to take a couple minutes to share with you what I genuinely believe is the greatest news any person could ever hear. You know, we just toured an amazing home, and honestly, there are so many amazing things in this life: a beautiful home, success, money, family, vacations, accomplishments. These things can all be incredible blessings, but if we're honest, no matter what we achieve or finally get, it never completely fills us the way that we thought it would. Maybe you felt that before. You finally get the thing you wanted, and after some time, you start chasing the next thing and the next thing. And I think deep down, every one of us knows that this life isn't all that there is, because the truth is, everything here is temporary, even down to our own lives on this earth. But the Bible tells us something powerful in John 3:16. For God so loved the world that he gave his one and only Son, that whoever believes in him shall not perish but have eternal life. And what that means is this: God actually created you for eternity. He created you to know him, but there is a problem. If we're honest with ourselves, none of us are perfect. We've all made mistakes, we've lied, we've hurt people, we've carried guilt, done things that we regret, and fallen short of the life that God intended for us. The Bible calls that sin, and sin separates us from a holy and perfect God. But here's the good news, you guys. There's good news, and that's why I share it at the end of every video. That God loved you so much, he didn't just leave you separated from him. Jesus Christ came to this earth, lived the perfect life that none of us could ever live, and even though he never sinned, he willingly went to the cross and took the punishment that we deserved upon himself. In other words, the price for our sin was paid by Jesus. Forgiveness, peace, purpose, and eternal life are available not because we earned it or became good enough, but simply by putting our faith and trust in him and what Jesus did on the cross. And maybe you're watching this right now and you've been searching for peace, purpose, hope, or fulfillment in different things in this life. I just want you to know that what you're truly looking for is found in Jesus, and only in Jesus. He completely changed my life, and I truly believe he can change yours too. And if today you feel something kind of stirring in your heart, maybe after this video, take a moment and just talk to God. Be honest with him. You don't have to be having the perfect words, just be honest with him. Let him know that you need him, and place your faith and your trust in what Jesus has done for you, because every single one of us needs him, someone to cover our sin, and that is what Jesus did. And if you've been thinking about going to church or maybe getting back into community, I really encourage you to find a local church wherever you're watching from. But if you happen to be here in Bakersfield, my wife and I actually have our home church that we love and have amazing church family at here in Southwest Bakersfield. So I will actually leave a link down below in the description for you guys to come out. It's Discovery Church here on like White Lane. But if you guys see me, say hi. I'd love to meet you there. But thank you guys so much for watching. Have an amazing rest of your day. God bless you.